In this lesson, I want to review with you how you can review one of your old tests. So let's go to web test. And these are the tests that we have in 1107, but your tests that you've completed will show up something like this. And let's pick one that we've done here. Now, of course, the date is past due, but I want to review this test. Again, practice preparing for a final or perhaps retesting, depending on the circumstance. But there is our first attempt. And in this one, these are mine. I got 100 on this one. I don't always get 100. Sometimes I'll make what I think is a silly error, but that's okay. So I'm going to click on this one. And then this comes up. And it does show, and on yours it will show areas where you had incorrect responses. And it tells you the topics that you would be working on. And you want to review it. So you click review. Now, I had them all correct, but normally you could go up here to this menu bar, drop-down menu, question 1, click on that, and you could hide the correct answers. So only your incorrect answers would show. But if you're doing this as a review, you'll want to look at the correct answers. So you can go number 1, and then there's the particular problem. There's the answer you gave. And what I particularly want to have you look at here is Open Tutor. This would appear on any answer you gave, whether correct or incorrect, but particularly on the incorrect, you'd want to open the tutor, click on this, and then it goes over in some detail what you would need to do to get the correct answer. So, in a sense, you don't need a person, but you could come into Math Zone to get help on these as well. But here in the software is your own personal tutor that goes over the protocol to get the correct answer. Now, after doing this, you would go up here and say, return the test. Click on that. And then you would go to next, perhaps. And if you're just looking at the incorrect answers, this is where you would have access to them. And again, open tutor to go over the protocol to get the correct answer. Hopefully this is helpful, and we'll keep it short.